So this is the AD200 Pro. It's a 200 watt flash, and that is
LA200bi.
It's a LED light, which is 200 as well. That means this is 200 watts, both of them. The flash, it's more expensive than the LED light. If it uses the same power, why buy the flash? You can use just the LED because
This can do video.
As Mariana tries to make friends with Legua, let's see the difference between these two lights. One is a continuous LED light, the other a flash. Both say 200 watts of power. But what that even mean? Well, it means that they have the same power consumption, with a big difference. The flash is one explosion of light, the LED light is continuous, which means it doesn't really shut down. Also, the Little Lemon's LA200bi can adjust the white balance without any DIY solution like we do with AD200 flash, which is only daylight. That makes the LA200bi LED light ideal for video on paper. But what about photos?
So we have the LED light in this umbrella with a softbox. It's 100%, and let's try to take some pictures. So the AD200 has its own internal battery, so no need to plug into the wall, and also it needs a radio control, so I have to attach one on my camera as well. The power of that flash is at 16th power, and the LED I had to push to 100%.
Only 1/60th of power needed to match the LED light. So the same power consumption doesn't mean the same output of light. The Little Lemons has a great advantage. What you see is what you get. The AD200's flash, you really need to know what are you doing to combine the flash with the ambient light. So, what happens if we go outside, where the ambient light is much stronger?
Well, as you can see, we are outside. I am half power, and it's illuminating the backlight, no problem. As you can see, I am pointing this light, the LED light, on that direction, so it won't affect Mariana. And let's take the picture with the exact same settings as the flash. Up, and you see that it's very dark, backlighted. And let's point this light over there, so it's roughly the same distance. I don't see any difference. It's look like natural light, so the sunlight is so strong, it's making no difference whatsoever.
And that is why a lot of professional photographers keep using flash instead of continuous light. Continuous light doesn't have batteries, but Miguel are gonna use only in interior, in studio, so I don't need the flashlight. The LED light would be way more practical. To that I'm gonna say two things. First of all, continuous light LED will hurt the model's eyes, or at least will be very uncomfortable. And the second thing, look at that video over there. I go in extreme detail on comparing flashlight and continuous light.